What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add, or the best method to add receipts to our WordPress blog website without coding with SEO-Friendly and Sherman mockup, so you can rank better on Google and for free. Nice templates that are fully customizable like this one, okay, this example one. You can embed on your blog, on your page, on your sidebar, and create the receipt blog that you wish, okay? Let's get this started. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because I bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to choose internet on a site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do, it's navigate to our WordPress dashboard, hover your mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin, okay? Into the upper right corner of our screen, next to the keyword, there is a field called search plugins. We're gonna type on it receipt card block, okay? This guy right here, receipt card block for Gutenberg and Elementor, best WordPress receipt plugin. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. As soon as we click into the activate button, you're going to be redirected to the welcome page of the plugin, that is the settings page, where you can set something by default, okay? For example, display course, display cousin, display difficulty, display author, default author name, in the case that you only have one receipt author, this is good for you to save time, default details title, the full ingredients title. You can change the title. Maybe if you have a blog in another language, you can change this, or to suit better to your writing style, okay? Receipt video title, in the case that you want to embed a video of your receipt or host a video on your site about the receipt. The full notes title. Receipt title alignment, can be left, center, or right. Ingredient, strike through. Enable for ingredients on hover or when selected. Footer credits, display footer credits. Uncheck these options if you want to show your support for this plugin. Up to you, okay? Receipt details, display servings, display preparation, display cooking, display total time, or display calories, okay? There is extra features for the pro users. We're gonna keep this for free, so let's jump this step. And we have the editing to expand all block sections, okay? We have another tab called appearance, where you can change the default templates. We're gonna explore this later. And the layout orientation can be vertical or horizontal, okay? It's up to you. The miscellaneous, nothing much to worry about it here, okay? But it's important in the case that you want to go deeper into the customization options. For example, to automatically add buttons, jump receipt title, and the print receipt text, okay? We have the ratings. This is only for pro users. We have the performance options, in the case that you want to load access or to use the Pinterest script to share this on Pinterest. Remember, this post you can share on Pinterest or print the receipt. We have some tools to play with, and the metadata. Let's create our first receipt to display on our site, okay? As soon as you activate the plugin on your site, you're gonna be able to see a new menu, a new item to your left sidebar menu called receipt cards. And right here, we're gonna click on all receipts. From this option right here, we are needing to click into the add new, okay? Into the upper side of our screen. Now we're gonna move from our media library and display or select an image from our media library or upload an image to your site for the receipt, okay? For the thing that we are working on. In this case, gonna be a cake, okay? And now we're gonna need to enter the title of this receipt. It can be cake, receipt by. Now servings, how many servings, the preparation type, time, the cooking time, and the calories, okay? Now enter with a short description to your recipe, okay? This is up to you. Now the ingredients for a recipe, okay? You can apply even image to your ingredients in the case that you prefer. It helps persons to better understand what you are working on, okay? But once again, up to you to select image or not. Now we have the directions, okay? For example, start cooking, start doing the dishes, something, okay? You can apply more steps in the case that you need, up to you. We can upload a video. We're gonna review this into the right sidebar of our screen, and we can enter some notes, okay? Notes here, just like this. What else we can do on this recipe? Let's explore the block, the right sidebar. First thing, recipe card settings. We can hide the image or not. Pinterest button, we're gonna display, okay? We can header content align to center in the case you want. Custom author name. Recipe video, we can upload the video right here in the case that you want to have a video for a recipe. Recipe details, add course, add cuisine, the difficult level, it's easy. We can enter keywords which is important for searching these recipes, okay? Cooking details, we can change it right here. Once again, in the case that you want. We have the custom details, and we have the short code, okay? Here is the details. Now we're gonna hit the publish button to have our recipe published. And after this, we're gonna go back to our recipes, copy this short code right here, that is the recipe that we have created, move to one of the posts where I would like to display this recipe. Imagine that the post that you are talking about a cake recipe, simply copy and paste the short code right here, or select the short code block and place the code. After this, update your post, and let's review the results we got. And here is the results we got, okay? We can customize this template in the case that you want. Let me show it for you. Move back to all recipes, select the cake recipe, click on it. Now we have the style. Let's move to new design. Hit the update button and let's preview it on the real page. And here is the design. Looks more modern. Simple design. Here is the results we got. Simple, easy, and by default this card is already optimized for Google, okay? Google will understand that there is a recipe right here and gonna read it and show into the search results using the schema markup the properly way to show recipes, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site. Or Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can start to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, that is a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. In the case you want to promote your site, gain a backlink, gain some sponsor to your work, your app, your game design, go to sites.gallery and submit your site. And as a final note, in the case you want to go premium while doing your WordPress website, count on our help, unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click for every single business style, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass and unlock full access to our themes, plugins, templates, tools, icons, and many more features. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best!